The Halo laser is a hybrid laser that uses an ablative wavelength and a non-ablative wavelength to accomplish two goals at once. So the ablative wavelength serves to help improve the overall texture and quality of the skin, and the non-ablative wavelength serves to encourage collagen production and basically thicken up the skin. The Halo laser is a good treatment option for people in their 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s that want a long weekend recovery. The usual recovery is 3 to 5 days following the Halo treatment, and the Halo laser will improve your overall skin tone, color, and quality. And that is essentially what the Halo does. It targets people kind of in the early to middle ages of their life who want a long weekend recovery laser treatment. Now, if you are in the later stages of life, meaning you're in your 50s, 60s, 70s, you may need a more aggressive laser treatment to treat your goals, and then I would recommend potentially the erbium laser. But again, I would need to evaluate your skin and at least see photographs of your skin to have a better idea of what I would recommend. But in summary, the Halo laser is a good treatment for a long weekend recovery, 3 to 5 days, in people who have medium, I'd say, moderate aging of their skin. Following the treatment, which takes approximately 30 minutes once you are numbed up with numbing cream, your face is going to be red and swollen, and this will continue to get a little bit worse for a couple days and then fade away. And I will go into the recovery in a different video. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.